Very good afternoon, all of you. Welcome to Unify Study. How are you all? All are ready? All are ready for marathon? Yes. So let's start without wasting time. I hope audio, video, everything clear, right? Chalo, let's start without wasting time. Before starting this marathon, I want to say one thing. That is, don't expect that exam is so easy, exam is so difficult. Nothing is true. Don't expect it will be too easy, it will be too difficult. It will be moderate, definitely. Next thing, don't expect that all question will be theory and all question will be numerical. No, the balance will be there. Numerical will be there, theory will be there. It is obvious. What are the types of question you can expect? Definitely sequence question, assertion reason question, matching type question, numerical question, and the comprehension type question. As you know that in computer science you are getting last 10 questions are comprehension type questions. These are the type of questions you are expecting. Now, how to prepare yourself? For preparing yourself at last moment, first of all you have to prepare in backward. Backward means the numerical types of topic, wherever the numerical questions are coming, formula, charts, those things you should learn as quickly as possible. You should revise and you should practice. Like today is the means your 22nd is your exam. Till now 2 to 3 days is there. So today if you are revising all the numerical formula charts, it will be good for you. After that, at the last day, what you can revise? At the last day, you can revise like one-liner, easy questions, sequence questions like that. And now take the stress little bit so that all the numerical formula will be done. And at the last moment, you will be lightweight. Same thing in exam hall, you have to do opposite. In exam hall, you have to do all the one-liner, easy, quickly solvable question first. That means first 2 hours you can focus on 2 hours, not 1.5 hours. You can focus on all quickly easy solvable question so that you can get the score, and in between you can do the numerical, and after that last 30 minutes you can go for some unpredictable question. This strategy is very important, how you are preparing before exam and how you are attempting before exam. At the attempt means at the 3 hours how you are managing. If you are doing this planning properly, then ultimately you are getting a good score, good result. So today I will start with numerical. It is a request, please be here. I will start with numerical. That is your unit 1. What are very important topic. After unit 1, each and every unit I am ready to do numerical if you are with me. If you are not ready, then you can tell me, yes, we can switch on to the theory also. We can mix the theory and numerical both. On demand, the class is going on. I will run the class on demand. First, I will start with some numerical. After that, as per your demand, I will go on. Whatever topic you are getting difficulty, whatever queries are coming, whatever you are requesting, I am ready to take your request and I am ready to explain and do the questions. You are ready with me? You are ready with me? If you are there and if you are calling your friends also, not only you, share with your friends also. Tell them to join. Wherever you are lagging, wherever they are getting problem, wherever you are facing difficulty, I am here to clear your all concepts. But you have to be here in live class and be interactive. Okay? Chalo. So first question in front of you, which is a very important topic. Very important topic. मैम लाइव नहीं देख पाती हूँ, आपके वीडियोस में रिकॉर्डेड देखती हूँ. अमेजिंग सेशन होता है. थैंक यू. कौन है ये भाई? मुस्कान. थैंक यू मुस्कान. आप तो मेरा मुस्कान ला दिए हो. आपका बात सुन के मैं भी आई एम ऑल्सो स्माइलिंग. मुस्कान मीन्स स्माइलिंग ना. मुस मुस हासी देव मलाई लाए, मुस मुस हासी देव. जरा मुस्कुरा दे. ओ याद आ गए. चलो, दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर. थैंक यू. यार, absorption law, this is, yes, definitely this is your absorption law. So for this, what you have to revise? You have to revise this chart, this mind mapping chart. As I told you, with the topic you will revise the mind mapping chart. Here, mind mapping chart, this is for you. Here, identity law. First of all, revise these laws. These laws are very important for you. Quickly revise it. identity law, dominant law, idempotent law, complement law, the null law, it is another law, is another name is domination. Involution law, commutative law, associative law, distributive law, absorption law, redundancy theorem, De Morgan's, and duality. Sometimes in duality and complement you are doing mistake. Complement and duality, here also be careful. Duality means only you are changing plus to dot and dot to plus and 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Complement whenever you are doing, then the x will be changed to x bar. That is not happening in duality. Complement means De Morgan's law. At the time of complement, you should apply the De Morgan's law. This law is applied for your complement whenever they are asking you to do the complement. And whenever they are asking you to do the duality, that means only plus will be changed to dot and dot will be changed to plus. But at the time of complement, you can see the plus is changing to dot. With that, complement is also happening. A is changing to A bar, B is changing to B bar. And here you see dot is changing to plus, with that complement also happening. So be careful about complement and duality. Most of the time you are doing mistake here. Okay. Yes. This is your quick revision chart which is very important for you. Another question also you can see repeated area from here they are asking. Repeated area, repeated questions are coming from here. Yes. Who's happy birthday today? Happy noon. How these two messages are coming? Vinita Shankar. कैसे आते हैं भाई ये दो मैसेज, ये दो टाइप का मैसेज कैसे आ रहा है, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है भाई, क्या मैजिक है इसमें? चलो बताओ, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, टेल मी द आंसर. Quick, do it, quick. Yes, your answer is definitely this one. Just now we have discussed dominant law, associative law, distributive law and absorption law. Very good. Now this question will clear your all topic of your set and relation, which is very important topic. Even also you can get comprehension type question also like this. See that some relation I gave you. From this relation you have to tell me which one is reflexive, which one symmetric, which one antisymmetric, which one asymmetric, which one transitive, which one equivalence and which one is partial order. If you are able to solve these all, that means your relation is done. Your relation revision will be done and it is 100% sure topic you are getting at least 1 or 2 questions from this area. High chance this way you can get comprehension type question also. So do it and tell me. Do it and tell me. Solve quickly. Quickly you can't solve. Take your time. And those who are watching, please like, share, subscribe. Please share and subscribe is very important. You say something in Hindi, I don't understand. Whatever I am telling in Hindi, no need to understand. Those who are the Hindi learners, they will understand. Question discussion, I will do in English. But sometimes I will talk in Hindi because some Hindi learners are there, those who want to talk me in Hindi. Just for talking with them, I am talking in Hindi sometimes. So nothing special or nothing important, ठीक है? That is just for fun. ये मस्ती के लिए है भाई, थोड़ा हिंदी लर्नर्स को भी मजा आना चाहिए, because of that, है ना? चलो, अरे CB, what you are telling? CBE, I am asking you, you have to give me answer. Reflexive, which one is reflexive? Write down the relation name. Which one is symmetric? Write down the relation name. Like that, give me the answer. You need to give me the answer like that. Which one is reflexive? Which one is symmetric? Out of this, it can be multiple reflexive can be there. Multiple symmetric can be there. No one is reflexive. That also can be there. You have to give me answer like this. If symmetric, how to anti-symmetric? Symmetric, anti-symmetric, how to anti-symmetric? That's why some of these relation can be symmetric, some of these relation can be anti-symmetric. You have to make the list. Reflexive, out of this, if you are able to find out reflexive, then tell me it is reflexive. Okay, out of this, like A is reflexive, like that you have to give me answer. आई बात समझ में? No ma'am, I said happy noon, but you say something between like that. Actually, in the message, like two messages are coming. Happy noon. Whenever I am going there, it is showing happy birthday. This is happening from last 2 days. I can see two types of message in one message. It is happening. Don't know why. That's why. No, I did not scold. I am also like thinking what is happening here. Answer. This is very, very important. See that. Some of you are answering, some of you are not answering. Let's check once by once. First of all, revise. I will tell you. After that, again you try. Okay? Are you ready for that? Okay? So, chalo. First one is reflexive. Reflexive means what? Everyone can say themselves in mirror. That is called reflexive. Okay? Like A, B, B, C, C, D, D. How many elements are there? Everything should be there. So, diagonal element, all diagonal should be present. That is called reflexive. Irreflexive means no A present. Symmetric. If AB is there, then BA should be there. Okay. First go for the theory, then after that we will come to the example. Antisymmetric. If AB is there, then BA should not be there. But A equals to B part is allowed. That means A, B, B, this part is allowed in antisymmetric. But in asymmetric, this is not allowed, and even also A, B, B, that is part means A equals to B, that part is also not allowed. Okay, I will take example. From example, it will be more clear. Here, transitive. If A, B, B, C both are there, then AC should be there. On one thing remember, if the problem is there, then only you have to think about solution. Otherwise not. If AB is there, then only I will think about BA. If AB, BC is there, then only I will think about AC. Otherwise not required. Equivalence means reflexive, symmetric, transitive. All should be together. And partial order means reflexive, antisymmetric, transitive. Okay, now come to the question. Now first of all, tell me according to the relation was given 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is the set. In the set, these 4 elements are there. Now you have to find out of this relation, is there any one where 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 all are present? Are you able to find out any one where all are present? Here you can see 1, 1 present, 2, 2 present, 4, 4 present, but 3, 3 is not present, not reflexive. This is also all not present. Here 1, 1 present, 2, 2 present, 3, 3 present, 4, 4 present. See that 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 all present. That means R3 is reflexive. That's why you see R3 is reflexive. R3 is reflexive. Now you see in R4, not. Here R5, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. So that means R5 is also reflexive. You got it? First one clear. This one and this one, why this is reflexive? Clear. Everyone can see themselves in mirror. All elements should satisfy, then only we can say reflexive. Now we will check symmetric. Symmetric means what? If AB is there, then BA should be there. If AB, then BA. So one by one check it. One by one relation we will check. Here you see 1, 2. 2, 1 is there? Yes, 2, 1 is there. Here you see 3, 4. 4, 3 is there. 3, 4. 4, 3 is not there. That means it is not symmetric. We got it. It is not symmetric. Here you see 1, 2, 2, 1. Yes, obviously it is symmetric. So 2 is symmetric. 3, 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 4, 4, 1. Other than that, no AB. All are AA like that. So that's why this is also symmetric. Here you see 2, 1. Is there any 1, 2? No. If any 1 is not satisfying, no need to check more. 1 is not satisfying, you can say not satisfied. So it is not. Here also 1, 2. Are you able to see 2, 1? No. That's why it is also not symmetric. Clear? Now come to antisymmetric. What is antisymmetric? Antisymmetric means if AB is there, then BA should not be there. But AABB, this part is allowed. Means A equals to B part is allowed in antisymmetric. Right? So check one by one. One by one, check it. Antisymmetric. 1, 2, 2, 1. That means it is not antisymmetric. AB is there, BA should not be there. Now you will tell me, ma'am, this is not symmetric also, this is not antisymmetric also. Yes, because it is not symmetric because of this only. It is there, but here it is not there. But antisymmetric, it is there. So that's why it is not symmetric also. It is not antisymmetric also. Okay. Here also you see, this is 1, 2, 2, 1 is present, not antisymmetric. Here also you see 1, 2, 2, 1 is present, not antisymmetric. Here see 2, 1, 1, 2 not present. 3, 1, 1, 3 not present. 3, 2, 2, 3 not present. 1, 4 not present. 2, 4 not present. 3, 4 not present. So that means it is antisymmetric. D is antisymmetric. Right? Even also here 1, 2, 2, 1. Is it present? No. 3, 1 not present. 4, 1 not present. 3, 2 not present. 4, 3 not present. 4, 4, 2 not present. 4, 3 not present. It is also antisymmetric. Yes. From this example, your all concept will be clear. That's why I have taken this example. Is that clear? Yes. Till now clear? Ma'am, R3 star. I am in antisymmetric. Why you are coming to transitive? One by one do it. Till now is it clear? Reflexive, symmetric, antisymmetric. Clear? One by one, part by part, let me explain. Clear? Yes. Okay. Now you see. Now you have to think about asymmetric. What is the difference between antisymmetric and asymmetric? Very important. You are getting confused here. Asymmetric means here if AB is there, then BA should not be there. Even also A equals to B, that means AA, BB, this part is also not allowed. Very carefully understand asymmetric and antisymmetric. Here also we will check. If AB is there, then BA should not be there. So all antisymmetric, all asymmetric are antisymmetric, but all antisymmetric are not asymmetric. You see here very carefully, this one and this one both are satisfying, antisymmetric and asymmetric. But this one is antisymmetric, but this one is not asymmetric. Why? Because you see, in R4, 1 2 not present, 1 3 not present, 2 3 not present, 1 4 not present, 2 4 not present, 3 4 not present. But any element like 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 is not there. That's why this one is antisymmetric and asymmetric both. Okay. But here also 1 2 not present, 1 3 not present, 4 1 not present. That's why it is antisymmetric. But it is not asymmetric. Why? Because of these elements 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4. That means A equals to B part is there, where both elements are same. Both elements are same. These are not allowed in asymmetric. If any one is there, you will not allowed in asymmetric. That's why R5 is not asymmetric but antisymmetric. This is both. So all asymmetric is antisymmetric, but all antisymmetric is not asymmetric. Very important point. Keep it in your mind, understand it. Clear? Clear now? Antisymmetric and asymmetric. If the question is coming comprehension, then to chapper par ke ma'am aa gaye. Yes. If by chance they are giving this type of question, you will be so happy. Yes, we did it. Clear? Clear? Now see, transitive equivalence. Now come to the transitive. Transitive means what? Transitive means if AB, BC is there, if AB and BC is there, then we have to think about AC. If problem is there, then only we have to think about solution. Okay. What is the trick to try find out transitivity? Trick to find out transitivity is ending. What is ending? Is there anyone starting with that? We have to find like that. You see here, 1, it is ending with 1, it is starting with 1. So 1, 2, automatically it is satisfied, no problem. Where different element, focus on that. Same element will be automatically satisfied, no problem. Here you see, this is ending with 2, this is starting with 2. So 1, 1 should be there, it is there. This is ending with 2, it is starting with 2. 1, 2 should be there, it is there. This is ending with 2, is there anyone which is starting with 2? No. Now you see, this is ending with 1. Is there anyone starting with 1? This one. 2, 2 should be there, it is there. Is there anyone which is starting with 1 more? This one. 2, 1, 1, 1. Already 2, 1, 1, 1. That means 2, 1 should be there, it is already there. Now you see, 2, 2. It is ending with 2. Is there anyone starting with 2? This one. So 2, 2, 2, 1. That means it should be 2, 1. It is already satisfied. Now you come here. 3, 4. Is there anyone starting with 4? Yes. 3, 4 means it should be 3, 1. Are you able to find out 3, 1? Are you able to find out 3, 1? 3, 4, 4, 1. 3, 1 should be there. Are you able to find out 3, 1? No. That means it is not transitive. That means this is not transitive. Clear? Here also you see, it is ending with 1, this is starting with 1. So it should be 1, 2, it is already there. Is that here it is ending with 1, starting with 1, 1, 1. Here this 1, 1, 2, right? Now it is ending, it is starting, we got 1, 2, it is already there. It is 2, 2, 1, 1. Yes. So B is transitive. R2 you are feeling, yes, R2 is transitive, right? R2 is coming transitive. It is ending with 1. Yeah, it is not. 2 1, comma 1 1. Then you have to find out 2 1. 2 1 is already there. Here. 2 1 and 2 1 1 2. 1 2. That means 2 2 should be there. 2 2 is not there. That's why this is not transitive. 2 2 you are not getting. Right? 2 2 is not there. That's why it is not transitive. R2 is not transitive. Clear? Why not? Now come to the R3. What is happening on R3? For R3. This one, 1 2 is already there. It is set ending with 2. Anyone is starting with 2, 1 2. It is okay. Here it is 1 4. It is 1 1. No problem. Here tell me where it is breaking. You tell me. 2 2. I think 2 2 4 4 1 1 1. Where it is breaking? You tell me. I got it. You tell me. R3 where it is breaking? Transitivity. Why not? Why not? Tell me. Tell me. You tell me. Why not? Why not? Why not transitive? Why not transitive? Tell me. At the same time, when we are finding symmetry, can we find transitivity? You can, but step by step it will be better, na? You can, definitely, but you will be confused. Tell me why not transitive? Someone is giving answer. 1 2 2 1 1 4 2 4. 2 1 1 4 2 4. Very good. Very good. 2 1 1 4 2 4 is not there. That's why it is not. Got it? Yes. But this one and this one is satisfying everyone. That's why it is transitive. Yes. No problem. Equivalence. Is there anyone equivalence? No. Equivalence means what? Equivalence means reflexive, transitive and symmetric. Both should be there. 3. There is no one which is satisfying reflexive, symmetric and transitive. These 3 should be satisfied. Then only we can say equivalence. That's why no one is equivalence. But for partial order, we have to satisfy reflexive, antisymmetric and transitive. That is satisfied here. R5 is satisfying reflexive, antisymmetric and transitive. That's why it is partial order. Clear? Yes. I hope all concept is clear from here. So you remember this. Equivalence means reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Partial order means reflexive, antisymmetric and transitive. Total order means reflexive, antisymmetric, transitive plus comparable. This is the extra. That means it is total order. Strict order. Strict order means only antisymmetric and transitive. And asymmetric relation, I already told that it is antisymmetric plus A equals to B should not be allowed. That means A, B, B, those part are not allowed. Okay? Yes. So comparable. Some of you are getting confused about comparable whenever they are asking about total order. What is the meaning of comparable? This is the meaning of comparable, that any element, whenever the relation is given, you have to take any pair. Either you can compare A with B, or you can compare B with A. For every pair, if you are able to compare, then it is called comparable. Simple way. Whatever set is given, from that set, how many pair you can do? Do all the pair. In that pair, if you are able to do compare with them according to the operator, whatever operator is given. If you are able to do, then it is comparable. How? How, ma'am? Here is the, either I will compare A with B or I will compare B with A. Then comparable. See the example, then it will be clear to you. See here, if I am taking less or equals to, and the set is 1, 2, 3, 4. How many pair we are able to do? The pair is like 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 1 and 1, 2. How many pairs you are able to do? The pairs are like 1, 2 is a pair, 2, 3 is a pair, 3, 4 is a pair, and 1, 3 is the pair, 1, 4 is the pair. These are the all possible pair, right? 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 1, 3, 1, 4 and 2, 4. These all are the possible pair. Out of these, either you can tell A 1 less or equals to 2 or 2 less or equals to 1. So here 1 less or equals to 2, no problem. In this pair, 2 less or equals to 3 or 3, it is happening, no problem. In this pair, 3 less or equals to 4, I can do. In this pair, 1 less or equals to 3, I can do. In this pair, 1 less or equals to 4, I can do. In this pair, 2 less or equals to 4, I can do. That means it is comparable. For all the pair, you are able to satisfy. That means it is comparable. But here you see, if I am taking it as a subset, the relation is subset. Now in this one, 1, 2, 1, 2. If I am taking 1 is the subset of 2, no. 2 is the subset of 1, no. If I am taking the pair like 1 and 2, can I say ki 1 is the subset of 2? No. Can I say 2 is the subset of 1? No. That means this pair, we are not able to do A or B also. We are not able to do B or A also. Any one of them we are not able to do. That means it is not comparable. Any one way, any one direction, either this direction or opposite direction, we have to do. Yes, we are not able to do, that's why it is not comparable. That means this relation we can't say it is a total order. Clear? Is that clear? This is a highly expected area for comprehension question. Easily they can give you one set and from there they can ask you it is reflexive or not, it is symmetric or not, it is total order or not, it is equivalence or not. Easily they can frame it. 10 marks can be yours. Okay? Got it? I hope all these concepts clear to you. Now tell me the answer for this. Hello ma'am, I am from Maharashtra. This is my first live session until have seen your all recorded lecture. Are the most flexible and understandable way of Thank you, thank you. I think Maharashtra set आ रहे हैं ना? Maharashtra set next month में है. मतलब I think as per my knowledge July 26th है ना? July 26th I think. In previous table you said the vice versa extent of antisymmetric and asymmetric. Yes, I told antisymmetric and asymmetric I told already. 26th, yeah. So these are important for your MH set also. The positive integer, select random from the set of, this is very easy topic but repeated topic, inclusion, exclusion. Inclusion, exclusion. Two sets are given, A and B. Whenever you are doing A union B, that means we can say number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. This is as the time of probability also, normal also, this formula by this formula, so many questions they are asking. Easy topic. Here also you can see random from a positive integer not exceeding 200, that means 1 to 200. Which of the following probability of that selected divisible by either 2 or 5? Or means union and means intersection. So it is OR. A union B, that means OR. So same formula we are applying here. Divisible by 2, divisible by 5 and divisible by both. So divisible by 2 means 100 elements. Divisible by 5 means 40 elements. Divisible by both, that means multiply into 2 and 5 and 2 both. So divisible by, this means you have to do 5 multiply into 2, that means 200 by 10, that is 20 elements. So now we will apply this formula, 100 plus 40 minus 20, 120. This is according to set. Now it is asking you probability. So 120 out of 200, that's why probability is 3 by 5. So here the combination of set and probability both together. Set and probability both together, that's why you are getting here answer 3 by 5. Clear? Yes. And this is the problem. Here you can see whenever I started the class, then near about 100 learners was there. And now there is 37 learners are there. Because why? Here math is going on. I will not do math. No problem. I know that those who are the 37 learners, those who are watching now, they are going to get the top result. You are going to be in the topper list. So it is the best one. I know those who are staying with me, they are going to get a good result. So be with me, we will do, no problem. I don't require quantity, I want quality. Quality students will be there with me. We will practice those and we will get a good score. Right? Yes. If you are there, I am also there. Pakka? Chalo. There is no shortcut of success. Right? We know there is no shortcut of success. Do this. Dipali. Those who are there, attendance please. Dipali, Kundala, Purnima, Sulachana, Ranvita, Ranvetri, and Akanksha, Tanuja, Priya, Bhaswati, Hema Malini, Siri. Good, very good. Arvi. Then Kiri Barisha, I think. Very good. Yes. Do this one. Here your answer is coming 100. Why? In a group of 120 people, 65 eat rice, 45 eat bread, 42 eat curd and 12 eat both. Same concept. But here the thing is that they are given 3 sets, A, B and C. 3 sets are there. What is the formula for this? Whenever you are doing A union B union C, then we have to take number of A plus number of B plus number of C, then plus number of minus, actually plus not minus in the bracket number of A union A intersection B, number of A intersection B plus number of A intersection C plus number of B intersection C. As you are doing all minus, you have to do 1 plus, that is number of A intersection B intersection C. This is the complete formula. Here you are taking and here you are taking 2 times, that's why you are doing minus 1 time. Whenever you are doing minus 1 time, this common part is eliminated. That's why you are adding this common part. This is the formula, right? So by this formula only, we can do this answer. Here total people is 120. Eating rice, that means A is 65, B is 45, C is 42. So this union is this one and this one, this intersection and all intersection together, this one. By adding this and then this, you are getting your answer 100. Simple concept, simple question, simple formula, but repeated area. You are getting question from here. Easy? Easy? Okay. Now see. Next thing is that propositional logic, predicate logic. Very, very important. Always you are getting question from propositional logic and predicate logic. Tell me the answer for this. I will request everyone, those who are like you, that means those who want to actually study, they don't want like shortcut, they actually want to get the success in life. So if your friend is also like that, then please share this channel with your friend, that yes, if you want to study, then definitely you can follow Unify Study. Without wasting time, here only study is going on. No clickbait, no panic, no unnecessary material, only study. It is a request. You can only help to improve Unify Study family. So yes, here also this question is very interesting question. You will be confused with the option. Option is creating confusion, 1 or 3. Which option is correct? Correct answer is 3. Correct answer is 3. Here you are confused with this one. This one or this one? Which one I will choose? How it is happening? Here only you are getting confused, because you see this one and this one, this one and this one is same. The problem is B here and here. Confusion is in 1 and 3. How it is, why it is, I am telling you. First of all, you see inverse, converse, contrapositive, conditional. What is the meaning of this? Converse means Q implies P, right? Normal, conditional means that is P implies Q. That is the normal. Whenever we are doing converse, that means Q implies P. Inverse means not P implies not Q. And contrapositive means not Q implies not P. Right? Now see, come to the option. Here and here these lines are also important. Inverse of converse is contrapositive. Inverse of contrapositive is converse. These lines are also important. You can get statement question from here. Assertion reason also. Anything can be possible from these statements. These are important for you. Okay. So you see here where I can find out conditional and converse. From here you see, if India team wins, then it is raining. This can be also conditional. So here you see the conditional. So A with 4. If I am doing A with 4, I am not getting anything. In the option you see it is given A with 2, A with 3, A with 2, A with 3. That means I have to see with 2 and 3. So conditional, you have to first of all identify which one is conditional. 4. Which one is conditional? You see, here it is given 4, here it is given 4, here it is given 4, here it is given 4. Right? So one by one see. C is 4. if it is raining, then India team wins. It can be. See, D is given if not raining. So definitely it is not conditional because it is given not. As it is given not, it cannot be conditional. That's why obviously this one you can eliminate. First of all, eliminate this one. Okay. Now go for it. Here now you are confirm about that key C is with 4. Now you got the confirmation from the option itself. Key main condition is this one. This is my P implies Q. P implies Q. If it is raining, then India team wins. I got it. Now we will be able to do easily. Which one is Q implies P, which one is not P implies not Q, and which one is not Q implies not P. By identifying that only we can do that. Right? You can see here this one. If the India team wins, then it is raining. Here you see, if it is raining, so it is P. But here it is given this city, then it is raining. So that means it is Q implies P. So Q implies P means which one? Q implies P means it is converse. So A is with 2. I can eliminate this. This is not. So already we got either this one or this one. Done. Now you see B. If India team does not win, then not raining. So if India team does not raining, then not raining means it is actually not Q implies not P. Yes or no? India team does not win. That means it is not Q, not P. Not Q, not P means it is called contrapositive. So that's why you are getting B with 3 contrapositive. You got your answer. That is your answer. Yes. Clear? সুদীপ পাল, হ্যাঁ আমি বাঙালি, আমি একদম বাঙালি, দুধে ভাতে মাছে ভাতে বাঙালি, একদম পিওর বাঙালি, ঠিক আছে? Your accent like South Indian. Because I am teaching South Indian na. All my students are South Indian. And I am staying in also South India. But আমি বাংলা বললে একদম বাঙালি কথাই বলি, পরিষ্কার বাংলা কথা বলি, হ্যাঁ? Is it clear? Clear to everyone? How to finalize the answer? That is very important. How you have to finalize the answer? Yes. Okay. Chalo. Now tell me. Do this. हाँ बोलती हूँ भाई, क्यों नहीं बोलती हूँ? क्या हिंदी में क्या सुनना है बोलो, बताओ. हिंदी में क्या क्या सुनना क्या है बताओ. Do this. Are you an assistant professor? I don't have time to go to college and I don't want to go to college. I don't want to restrict myself in any job. I am independent. I want to be independent. Chalo. Yeah. Here your answer. Yes. Joy loves everyone. X loves Y. What is this? X loves Y. So X loves Y. X, Y. This is the relation. Think it as a relation. Think it as a proposition. So where both X and Y is constants. Now all people in the world. So express this, joy is loved by everyone. This is actually active and passive voice. Joy here, this one is given x comma y. So it is joy is loved by everyone. That means everyone loves joy. Voice change. In English, you did the voice change, na? Everyone loves joy. Just change the voice. After changing the voice, you can convert it. It is xy means x loves y. That means everyone loves joy. So, everyone, comma, joy. It should be like that. So, everyone is x. So, L x joy. For all. Everyone means for all. For all x, that is x, that is everyone, loves joy. Yes, this is the correct answer. This is opposite. That's why it is wrong. This is there exist. There exist means some. For all. Not. Here there exist, it is not. This is also not. This is the correct answer. Do voice change and do with this. Get the answer. ठीक है ना? चलो. Now do this. इसको हिंदी में बोलिए. क्यों भाई? इसको क्यों हिंदी में सुनना है? ये तो मैं मेरी हस्बैंड को ही सिर्फ बोलती हूँ और किसी को नहीं, क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं है आप बॉयज हो या गर्ल्स हो. फिर मैं बता दूंगी भाई, फिर बताएंगे अरे मैम ने मुझे बोल दिया. ऐसा मत सोचो, ठीक है? But whatever you are teaching perfect. Thank you. That is my task. That is my task. Yes, so here what to do? Consider the following. P and Q are two statements. So here you see these are given. Which one is correct actually? You have to do that. So here you have to apply the rule of De Morgan's law. I am telling you easy way. Propositional logic, if you are converting in digital logic, that means Boolean algebra format, then it will be easy for you, because we are habituated with Boolean algebra format. Simple trick, apply Boolean algebra, propositional logic, 100% sure topic. Always you are getting. So just convert it and do it. Okay? You see here what is happening here. This is actually P dot Q whole bar. Yes or no? P dot Q whole bar. According to De Morgan's law, we can write P bar plus Q bar. This is actually P bar plus Q bar. Because and means and, that is and this is or. That means plus. This is and this is or. So and or, we can do that, no problem. Here what is the meaning? Here it is telling P plus Q whole bar. This is also actually De Morgan's law. It is P bar dot Q bar. So these both are actually De Morgan's law. It is correct. C is telling you P dot P bar equals to 1. True means 1. Is it true? No, it is actually 0. That's why it is false. Here this formula is very important formula for propositional logic. Everywhere it is required. P implies Q equals to not P or Q. Everywhere it will be required. So you see here what is written here. We can write it not P or Q. Right? From here we can do. So here what it is coming. Is it coming this? It is actually, we can say P bar plus Q whole bar. This is P bar plus Q whole bar. Here in dot, if I am changing also, then also I will get P double bar dot Q bar. That means I will get P dot Q bar. Is it coming P dot Q bar? Yes, P dot Q bar? Yes. So that's why this is correct. Here is it correct? It is actually but it is P plus Q. And this is actually P bar plus Q bar. Can I say P plus Q equals to P bar plus Q bar? No, not at all. So that's why A, B and D is your correct answer. Always you are getting propositional logic question, Boolean algebra question, simplification question. So these two formula mainly required. P implies Q equals to not P or Q. This is most important formula. Another important formula is De Morgan's law. Another important formula is x dot x bar is always 0, x plus x bar is always 1. And most important formula, 1 plus anything is always 1. 1 plus anything, infinity number of anything you are telling, it will be always 1. These formulas mostly applied for your doing this type of conversion. Must remember. Okay. So now these are the some things you can remember: not, and, or, exclusive or, if then, equivalence, how to relate with the statement. They are asking statement, how to relate it. And order, increasing order, decreasing order, this type of sequence questions also they are asking. So this is according to decreasing order. Now this is also this type of questions, mostly repeated question. Do it. Ma'am, launch December batch soon. It will launch. Before exam we are not launching, because according to exam I am planning and I am launching. So mostly by 25th we will get the update. First 22nd, let's see how students are performing, how exam is going on, how questions are coming. Without that, how I can say about the next batch? I am not running our platform only for business. I am running it so that everyone will get the benefit. Proper way, proper structure is important, proper planning is important. So let me do the proper planning as per the exam, in which direction it is going. According to that I will plan and I will tell you. Okay. So here this type of question, how to see that for all there exist some variables are given. Here you put the values. For all means in that domain for everyone. There exist means for anyone. For any example, if you are able to satisfy it, then it will be satisfied. So it is given, see that for all integer, and here also very careful. Whenever it is given for all integer, that means positive, negative both. Don't think about only positive. Integer means we are thinking only positive. No. Positive and negative both are integer. That's why you have to think about positive, negative both. Wherever you will see for all, especially for all. Whenever you see for all, then you have to think about everything. There exist means for a particular element, if you are able to satisfy, that's okay. So try to satisfy one by one. How you are able to satisfy or not, you see. First one, for all n there exist n square less than m. See that n square, whenever you are doing n square, any positive element square is also positive, any negative element square is also positive. Always it will come positive value. Is it or not? That's why whenever you are doing m equals to n square plus m, that means n square plus m, it will be always integer, it will be always true. Any n square will be less than of m. There exists a n. You see what is the meaning here? Here also you will be little bit confused. What is the meaning? There for all n there exists a m where n square is less than m. For all n means for any integer. Any integer, you can take minus 100, you can take plus 100. minus 100, minus 60, minus 30, plus 40, plus 20, plus 60, whatever. You are doing square means it will be positive. So, for all, there will be some integer which is less than this. Any particular element. It can be. It can be because integer is an infinite number. Infinity you can take. For that infinity, if you are taking, all other will be less than of that. So, it is always true. We can say that it is always true. Right? Logically think. Now you see, there exists n, there exists m. N plus m equals to 4 and n minus m. So, there exist. That means for a particular element. For a particular element, I can say that 3 plus 1, is it 4 or not? 3 plus 1, or I can take, here I have to satisfy, so 1 plus 3, it is 4, and 3 minus 1, it is 2. So here what is my m? M is 3 and n is 1. I am able to satisfy. There exist means for a particular element, if you are satisfying, it is true. True, no problem. For C is what? N square plus m square equals to 1. There exist for a particular element. 1 square plus 2 square equals to 1 plus 4. No problem. Now the last one is given, you see. There exists a m for all n. That means for some particular m, there exist all n, there exist all integer where m plus n will be 0. Here we can say false. Because you see, if we are taking n equals to n, m equals to minus 1. If you are taking n equals to 2, then m equals to minus 2. For single m, n cannot be both minus 1 and minus 2. We can satisfy like this. Here it will be not always 0. If I am taking minus 1 and minus 2, anyhow it is not possible. Can I say ki minus 1 plus minus 2 is 0? No, right? Not satisfying, right? So, we can say it is false. Because it is telling for all n. For one element also, if you are able to satisfy false, that means it is false. Here, for all m, there exists m. Here is a difference. For D is false, but E is true. Very technically understand. Both are same. You will tell me, ma'am, m plus n is 0. Here also m plus n is 0. Then why this is false, why this is true? Logically understand why. Logically, because here this is a there exists m. That means for some m, for a particular m, it is true for all n. But here it is telling for all m, there exists any one n. For all m, that means for all integer, there exists a single one integer where m plus m equals to 0. That means for all integer, you can find out one any number where it will be 0. We can prove that. Here it will be always, if you are taking n equals to minus m, then every time it will be proof. For any integer, if you are taking integer x and then n value if you are taking minus x, then obviously it will be 0. That means for all integer, there will be a number which is minus x. For that I can prove always 0. That's why it is true, but it is false. The meaning is very important. By looking, we are feeling it is same, but actually it is not same. And nowadays, this much level conceptual question they are asking. It is your December 2025 question only. This is I have taken from December 2025 only. So definitely question will be not difficult. Question will be tricky. Option will be tricky. By looking, you will feel same, but it is not same. That's why you see that A, B, C, E all are correct. Only D is not correct. Game is here with there exist and for all. These games you have to be very clear about that. And the domain. What is the domain? You have to be very clear about that. Clear? Okay? Getting understanding? This table is also very important table for you. Tautology. Yes, they started batch because it is their business. I am not starting because yes, I am earning money from here definitely, but not only it is my business. I want to plan a course which will be helpful to the student. Ultimately, they will be able to qualify. So I am waiting. This is very important. Tautology means all true. Contradiction means all false. All false. Contingency means some true, some false. Contingency. Valid means here it is actually sometimes you are thinking tautology, but it is not tautology. Okay. Invalid, falsifiable, unfalsifiable, satisfiability, unsatisfiability. Ultimate, what is their relation you think? Here the relation is very important. You see that all tautology is valid and unsatisfiable. Okay. All satisfiable, it can be tautology, it can be contingency also. Satisfiable means it can be contingency, it can be tautology also. That's why half and half. Invalid, it can be contingency, it can be contradiction. That means contradiction means some true, some false. Contingency means some true, some false. Contradiction means all false. And in between it is coming invalid. That's why it can be both. Falsifiable also coming in both. Unsatisfiable means it is contradiction. This mapping is very important for you. That means you can say that all valid is satisfiable, but all satisfiable is not valid. All contradiction is invalid, but all invalid is not contradiction. All contradiction is falsifiable, but all falsifiable is not contradiction. From here only you are getting statement based question, assertion reason question. That's why these definitions are important for you. That is the reason why the definition is important, because valid means called valid if and only if it is tautology, it contain only true. Invalid means invalid if and only if not tautology, it contain only false. Right. But here falsifiable means whenever you are coming to falsifiable, it can be made false from some value and it contain only false or both true and false. That's why falsifiable, some true, some false or all false possible. That is the reason here. But whenever you are coming to contradiction, then it is all false. All false mean contradiction, but some true, some false means falsifiable. Unfalsifiable, compound proposition called unfalsifiable if and only if never made false. That means you cannot make it false. So it contain only true. That's why it is called unfalsifiable. Satisfiable. Satisfiable means either only true or both true and false. Unsatisfiable means it is only false. These are very, very important. Go through it once. High chance you can get statement questions or this type of relation. This type of statement like all this is true, all this is not true, why, what, assertion reason, anything can be. This chart will help you. Okay? Got it? So, this is modus ponens and modus tollens. It is also important. PQ, it is coming under your, when they are giving this type of questions, this is given and this is given, you have to find out this is true or not. this is given, you have to find out this is true or not. Directly from this formula you can say that. Okay, syllogism. Even also in paper 1 also you are getting syllogism. Syllogism type of question here it can be required. Here is a question like regular logic, modal logic, first order logic, predicate logic. Which one is what? Tell me that. Yes. Here, this is your quick revision. Regular logic means there is no standard formal regular logic is there actually. Modal logic is correct because modal logic handle intentional context like belief, necessary possibility, knowledge, or where referential occurs. This is called modal logic. Okay. First order logic means actually predicate logic and first order logic both are same. Both are same. So here your answer is modal logic because here it is telling about belief, desire, hope. Oh, this question we have already done. Acha. I think now you are feeling little bit exhausted, ma'am. So much math. Now you tell me which one you want to do, math or any other topic. It is on demand. Now it is up to you. Now it is up to you. Tell me which one you want to do, which unit and numerical or theory. Tell me quickly. According to your interest, I told I will do. Quickly tell me. Tell me. Which one you want to do? Cloud computing. Cloud computing video I already uploaded. Unnecessary, don't waste time. Cloud computing. One video I have uploaded na cloud computing recently. Focus on that topic which is see that. Here also one thing I am telling you. Cloud computing, big data, better data warehouse, data mining, those videos I have actually uploaded. But focus on that where more score are coming. Cloud computing, how many questions? 1 or 2 questions you will get maximum. Theory, software engineering, numerical, pole, software, numerical, software. Most of you are telling software engineering. Okay, okay, no problem. Software engineering. ठीक है चलो सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग मैराथन हो जाए सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग न्यूमेरिकल okay good no problem software engineering numerical we will do हाँ software engineering numerical and theory both or only numerical tell me software engineering numerical and theory both or only numerical what you want or direct coming to PYQs so that theory numerical both will be done as at first I am doing numerical after that coming to theory Okay, let me open. ठीक है, no problem. I'm doing one thing. Directly I am coming to software engineering PYQs. Okay, so here theory, numerical, both will be done. Everything is there, no problem. Your total software engineering revision will be done. Software engineering. Chalo, from December 2025 only we will start quickly. All our revision will be done. 441 pages PDF. 441 pages. Everything will be done. Be ready. Chalo. Yeah, theory, numerical, both, everything. All revision will be done because it is your reward. You learn the numerical. Now numerical theory, everything you will do from software engineering, you will get the score. Do it. See that V model, incremental model, spiral model, concurrent model. Yeah, definitely your answer is option 2 here. Risk is the keyword for spiral model. From this one only you can do the answer, right? From this risk, and here it is your quick revision. V model means classical life cycle. Here it is waterfall, and together we are doing. Here incremental means step by step we are doing. It is focusing first on core model, after that we going for the remaining. Spiral model, risk driven. Risk is the main factor here for spiral model, and concurrent model is trigger transition. So concurrent, it is going on concurrently. That's why the trigger transition. Next question. Coupling. All the coupling. Do quickly. Quick answer. Quick answer. Yes. So here your answer is this one: control coupling, content coupling, data coupling. This is your answer because content coupling means one module directly affect another module. Control coupling means it is flag, through the flag signal. Stamp focusing on the data structure same. Data coupling, only necessary data pass. Don't be confused with data coupling and content coupling. Data coupling is the best one, only necessary. Content coupling, anyone, आपका पड़ोसी आ रहे और लेके जा रहे, your friend is coming to your home and without your permission taking everything, that is not good, right? So that's why this is your answer, and it is focusing on your, you see that nowadays questions are coming directly, indirect question. The content coupling is focusing on interrupt. How it is related to interrupt? Like interrupt execution, because directly it is interrupting your privacy is interrupt here. That's why it is working as a interrupt. Here it is working with memory. Why? Control coupling, memory. Control coupling is memory because here flag Signals. It is memory is getting that flag or signal. Stem coupling. Stem coupling is the structure. It is working with CPU. And here data coupling is working with disk. How they are relating coupling concept with computer architecture concept. Mapping is important here. Right. Now next. This year only you got, last year only they asked the numerical, right? That's why you are thinking numerical. Do next quickly. Yes. Higher complexity indicate more complex. Higher assertion reason question. Higher complexity indicate more complex program. Calculate. Here cyclomatic complexity. Cyclomatic complexity is focusing on that. That's why it is correct explanation. Just last class only we have done it. Right? Yes. Next. This is your formula. E minus n plus 2p. Number of independent path. More path means more test cases, more complex. Simpler means easier. That's why it is the correct explanation. Remember that 1 to 10 means simple or low risk. 11 to 20 means moderate. 21 to 50 means high complexity. Greater than 50 means unstable. From here also you can get question. Now do this. Class diagram, package diagram, object diagram, component diagram, subset, relationship, dependencies. How? Yes. You all are going for lunch. I am without taking lunch. I am taking class. You all are going for lunch. Lunch. Take the lunch and with that also you can answer. I cannot take lunch. You can, right? Yes. So here, this is your answer because whenever you are going for class diagram is the static structure. Package means collection of multiple group, that is called package, right? So that's why it is subset. Object means relationship from one to another, that's why object. Relationship. Component diagram, dependencies. So here answer is this one. Next. Arrange the following web app design layer from top to bottom. Top to bottom. Your answer is this one, because whenever you are going for top, that is always interface, UI design is the interface, right? So interface design, then aesthetic design, look and feel, then content design, information present, then navigation, that means menu, how user moves, navigate, and then finally performance design. So your answer is this. Sequence question is very important, very important sequence. Next, do this. Yes, ma'am, after lunch you can take class. But without eating, how you will feel energy? I took heavy breakfast. I will take with my daughter. She will come by 4. I will take with her. I took heavy breakfast. No problem. घोड़े की तरह मैराथन करना है. Just like horse, we have to do marathon. That's why today I took chapati with black chana masala, black chana sabji, black chana curry. Horse are taking now that black chana. So if you want to run like horse for marathon, then take black chana. I have taken today. You also take. Okay. So alpha testing, beta testing, acceptance testing. Here which one is correct and which one is wrong here. Here you see Beta testing done at the end user site with developer presence. Developer will be not present in beta testing. Beta testing is done by the user on their environment. You are the beta tester, you will test it in your home. No developer will be there. That's why it is wrong. So by eliminating option C, you can do the answer. A, B, C is the correct answer. D is also here wrong because alpha testing always replace beta testing. It is not possible. Alpha testing, beta testing both are required. Alpha testing will be done in the production environment. Beta testing will be done by the user environment. Both are different. How it can replace one? So ABC is the correct answer. It is not. Right. Now do the next. Here these are the numerical came na. That's why you all are telling, ma'am, comprehension, ma'am's comprehension. We will do, but I am telling one thing. Do it. Definitely do it. Comprehension came or not, at least numerical will come. But as last time they asked software engineering, numerical, comprehension, this time also they will ask, chances less. From other unit they can ask comprehension. Do this. Easy question. Actually not difficult, it's easy. Yes. So here you see, this is your answer definitely. Simple question because they gave here the formula also. Effort formula is given to you and they are asking you key percent per month, initial effort. So just put it into KLOC, kilo line of code. KLOC means kilo line of code, right? Here in the question only it is given. So you are getting here 3 multiplied into 60, 180% per month. Directly you are getting answer. Simple question. Now do the next. I am getting answer from Tanuja, Ashok Kumar, Purvi, Abhay, Abhi, very difficult name, Avi. Okay. Rani, Devika, Hema Malini, Siri, Bhuvana, Dipali. So what is your answer for this? Quickly tell me. Yes. So here your answer is 34 month. 34 month. Why? Because development time 2.5 multiply into effort to the power half. So here effort last line you have calculated 180. So root 180 you have to take. Root 180 2.5 multiply into this, you are getting this answer. Now here the problem, one problem will happen. Ma'am, you are telling 2.5 multiply into root 180. We don't have calculator, ma'am. Without calculator, how it is possible we will do it? See that. Here what you can do, you tell me root 100. Root 100 means 10. You know very well. And near about value for 80. Like you can take 100, after that 10 square, 11 square. 11 square means 122. 13 square, 14 square, 15 square. You think about that. 10 square is 100. 11 square, 12 square, 13 square, 14 square. Like that, try go for the closer value. Which one will be the closer value? 13 square we know 169, right? And 14 square will go more than that. So it will be 13 point something. By doing that, near about value also you can calculate. 2.5 multiply into 13 point something. It cannot be this, it cannot be this, it cannot be this. This is the answer. Approximation required. We learn in data structure algorithm also the NP complete, NP hard problem. Normal traditional way, whenever you are not able to do, go for approximation. So here approximation required. Exact value don't try to calculate. Without calculator you will be not able to do, obviously, right? Approximation required. Now do this. Yes, here your answer is this one, 5 engineer, because direct answer. Average staff means effort by development time. Effort by development time, just now we have calculated effort, that is 180. Development time also we have calculated 33.55. Here also near about value, closer value you have to think. Approximation is very important. 180 divided by 13.55, 33.55, 33.55. Without calculator you cannot do exact value. Means it can, but it will take time. What we can do? 180 divided by 30. It is coming actually 6. Right? 6. So now come to the option. It is 8, it is 5, it is 10, it is 12. It will be close to 6. Your answer will be less or equals to 6, close to 6. So that's why eliminate, eliminate, eliminate. This is your answer. Here only you are getting problem. Ma'am, calculation was difficult. I am not able to do. No problem. Like this way do it. Yes. And another thing also, in comprehension type problem what you will face. See that I am asking after doing arrangement. If this is the first, then this is one, then this one. But because of shuffling, you will get question in a haphazard way. Which one is the first requirement, after that what will be applicable. Here we are here this is actually CUC question number 142, and this question was question number 144. That means before getting this question you are getting this question. Now to solve this question you need this. So here you will be confused. So what you have to do in exam hall, all the 5 question read, then make as per your requirement ki which one I have to solve first, and that data I have to utilize for the next. According to requirement you do the arrangement and you solve one by one and then put the answer. Got it? Because one data will be useful for another one, but they will not give you in that order. They will make it in a haphazard way. You have to make that order. Got my point? Now do this. Do it. 10% contingency margin Then what is the product cost? I need answer from everyone. Very few learners are answering. Like I can see answer from Dipali, Tanuja. What about others? Hema Malini. Okay. See, here contingency margin. Contingency margin, you see here it is given that contingency margin is 10% of the effort is mandatory. So you calculated the effort 180. 10% of the effort is 18, right? 10% of the effort you will get here 18. So 180 total you already got, plus this contingency, that is coming 198. Now you calculate the cost. So 198 multiply into $10,000, total is coming this one. So that's why your answer is this. Got it? These are not actually, you can't say it is only software engineering problem. It is actually time and work problem. How the calculations are going on? Time and work. Project estimation means time and work. All formula given, you have to just do the percentage and all. Now do this. Do it, do it. Okay. Here your answer is 2, because with the contingency, total effort you got. Previously we have done without contingency. Here with contingency, whenever we are doing, then we got 190 and divide by 15. So 198 divide by 15, here you are getting 13.2. So that's why your answer is coming here 13.2. Okay. Because it is with contingency, calendar duration. Total you have to calculate. Not 2. Most of you are giving 2. It is 3. Okay. Chalo. Next. Are you ready? Are you there with me? Shall we continue? Ready to continue or not? Do it. I am ready. If you are ready, then I am ready. Yes, do it. Which of the following is not software characteristics? Definitely software always correct. Software cannot be always correct. It can be wrong also, right? Always it cannot be correct. So obviously this is not your answer. Next one. These are easy question. Quick answer. Quick answer. Which of the following not a requirement elicitation technique? Data flow diagram is not a elicitation technique, because data flow diagram will be required in the modeling technique, right? Good. Next one. Cohesion better than procedural cohesion. Which one is better here? It is asking you. Which of the following is better than procedural cohesion? Yes. Here you see. Here what is the flow? Flow is functional, sequential, communicational, procedural, temporal, logical, coincidental. It is asking you better than procedural. So here is the procedural. Better than procedural, that means communicational, sequential and functional. You have to go for functional, sequential and communicational. This is your answer. Right? Yes, option 2 is the correct answer. Very good. Now do this coupling, cohesion coupling, very important topic. Cohesion coupling, repeated area, numerical theory, both we are doing here. Both we are doing, theory, numerical, both. All PYQs we will do, don't worry. Don't worry. Yes. Here your answer is increasing order. Here most of you are getting confused. Many times this confusion is happening. It is asking you increasing order of coupling from lowest coupling to highest coupling. Good to bad, lowest to highest. Right? Lowest to highest means it is increasing order you have to do. So best coupling is the lowest coupling, worst coupling is the highest coupling. Best means low, worst means high. That's why your answer is this one. Because low coupling is good and high cohesion is good. Coupling should be low, cohesion should be high. Again and again I told you, remember that. Now do this. Yes. Here your answer is reverse engineering, process of order difficult unknown hidden pattern from the software system. From build software, software is already done, now you are trying to find out hidden pattern, that is called reverse engineering. Yes. Next one. Quick answer, quick answer. Which of the following belongs to quality factor? McCall quality factor. These are the many times they are asking question. Maintainability, flexibility, testability, portability, reusability, interoperability, correctness, reliability, efficiency, integrity, usability. These all are your answer. That's why here your answer is this one. Alright. Next. These keywords are very important for you. Reliability, efficiency, maintainability, portability. Quality control, quality assurance, quality factors. Again and again you are getting questions from here. Yes, total 11. Yeah, good. Here your answer is 1 is with 2. Reliability, capability, maintain its level of performance under the condition. You are thinking that Unify Study is reliable platform, because of this we are maintaining that, right? So efficiency means always remember relationship between the performance and the amount of resources. You are performing well, but resource should be also less. With less resource, how you are performing, that is called efficiency. Maintainability, effort need to modify, that is maintainability. Portability, transportation, how it is easy. Transfer easy, that is called portability. Very important topic for you. So these are the factor of qualities, and all these qualities you can just go through it. Maintainability, efficiency, integrity, reliability, usability. Maintainability, flexibility, testability. These keywords are very important. Must go through it. Now tell me, what is the answer for this? Then I will go for only numerical of software engineering. That be. Yes. Testing, most important chapter here. Testing usually performed by the software development life cycle. Which way, which direction? First you are doing in unit testing, then integration testing, then system testing, then acceptance testing. Now this one, do this. Yes, equivalence class partitioning. How it is going on? It is a black box type testing. Equivalence means divide the input into valid and invalid. Boundary value analysis, focus on limited input range. Cyclomatic complexity, independent path. And testing, design the testing, this one. Testing chapter, how much important, see that. Even also I am telling you, from statement coverage, branch coverage, path coverage, high chance you can get question that is comprehension type question. Do this. Here this formula, nowadays they are asking this formula. You see that from this formula you can get numerical. Remember the formula. The development organic software, what is the formula for COCOMO model? 2.4 multiply into KLOC to the power 1.05 per month. This is the formula. Next one, do this. Yes. Collaborative document. So requirement validation, collaborative document is actually inspection technique used for requirement validation. This is your answer. Next. Which of the following is not a part of requirement management? Requirement management, here page traceability. Why the page traceability? Here these are requirement. Feature, dependency, inference, page number, no meaning. So that's why it is not required. Next. How to focus means? Any problem? Visible, right? No problem, right? Yes. So software testability simply how the content, that is repairability, how you are able to repair. Testability simply that easily can be tested. Which of the characteristics does not lead to testability? Here observability, these are lead to testability because how easily you are able to test. But repair is not coming under test. So repairability is not coming under this. Now do this. This is CMM model. Your dedication, your ultimate desire, if you have that desire that you want to pass the exam, then definitely automatically you will be able to focus. If you have that desire. Initial, repeatable, manage, optimized. So here you see, this is your main CMM model. All the CMM model, how it is going on. First one is initial, then repeatable, then managed, then defined. Then you are coming to what you are doing. Here first one is initial, then repeatable, then defined, then managed, then optimized. Initial means ad hoc system, a new type of company, ad hoc basis work. Now after that you are coming to repeatable, that means repeated type of task, same type of task you are doing, that's why repeatable. After that process definition, you are doing the process definition. Then after that manage means you are focusing on project management, process management. Optimized means you are always focusing how to better. That means you are improving, you are in the last level company. So it is the sequence CMM level, very important for you. Next one, spiral. Which of the following statement is correct according to the spiral model? So here you see, spiral model is a incremental process model. Here we can't say always correct because risk driven is always correct. Spiral risk is the main keyword. So you can see B, B, B. This is you can eliminate. Now out of this you have to choose D, C or A. Which one is most preferable? You see here spiral model involve the set of anchor point of milestone. Like this way we are doing spiral, right? That's why it is called spiral. Like this way it is divided, right? And inside we are dividing like this. So milestone. This milestone is the keyword. See that we can't say incremental is wrong. Because spiral is the combination of waterfall, incremental, prototype together. So you can't say this is wrong. But out of this, which one is the most preferable one? You have to go for the most preferable one whenever this type of confusion is coming. So most preferable one is this one. It is also not wrong. It is also correct. But this is most preferable. That's why you have to go for it. This type of confusion happening in exam hall. So whenever this type of confusion is there, you have to go for the high priority. Which one is more priority? Choose that one. Got it? Clear? Yes. Ma'am, I am your pet. Hey, bhai, every day pet class is going on. Why you are not joining pet class? In the pet class, I am giving WhatsApp group link. Huh? You are joining here and you are asking me, but in the paid class you are not joining. Today 5:30 also I have taken paid class. Morning, evening, daily class is going on. Come to the paid class and ask me for the WhatsApp group link. I am giving WhatsApp group link now. Why not joining? Not able to wake up, ma'am. 5:30 to 7. Who will wake up? So many people are waking up. Unify Study learners are waking up early morning. They are doing class with me. Come and join live. Today also in the class we have done so many expected comprehension type question. Very much conceptual comprehension type question. You are missing those things. So Jackson principle. According to the what is Jackson principle? This is your Jackson principle method according to this software engineering. Here design, definition and refaultable assertion. So here your answer is this one, that's why ABC. Formal review and this is not coming under this. That's why ABC is your correct answer. Now see risk, predictable risk, business risk, project risk and past risk. Yes, different types of risk factor. Predictable, that means yes, from your past project experience you are able to predict, right? How we are able to predict ki yes, this question can come from the PYQs, that is our past PYQs. From there only we are trying to predict. That's why. And business risk means strategic risk. After that, project risk is that one. This is your staff and organization. That is your project risk. And past project means implementation. How you implemented in our past project. This is related with implementation. Here also another formula you can see. Do this. Yeah, these formulas are important to remember. You have to remember these formulas. From these formulas you can get the question. E means effort, special skill factor, productivity parameter and project duration. From here you are getting this formula. But the problem is that, here is the problem, without calculator this type of calculation you can't do. To the power 0.33, but then to the power, then 1 by t to the power 4. Without calculator it's very difficult to do this type of calculation. That's why they ask maybe only formula, right? Acha. Now you are telling about numerical na. August question you want to do? Do the August question. 2024 December. Acha, 3 questions we have done. I am coming with only numerical. Wait. Give me 1 minute. Open the PDF of only numerical. Chalo, be ready for software engineering numerical here. Ready now? You are there now with me. If you are there, I am there to take your all doubts. First of all, from the project estimation, actually you are getting this numerical where you need to remember the size of LOC and function point. From here only you are getting question. These are your theory. From this theories also you can get some questions like that: number of user input, output, what are the function point metrics, from where function oriented you are getting. Sometimes they can give you these formulas ki simple, average, complex, all are given to you. This type of table they will give you, and after that they can make a question. Here no influence means zero, incidential, these are coming because here you have to multiply and here you have to get the values. I am coming to directly numerical so that you can do the question. Page number 13. Function point numerical. Read and do. Taking time little bit to load. I taking. Do this. Yes. Answer, answer. I am waiting for your answer. Give me the answer. The answers are coming. Tanuja is giving answer. Estimated line of code is given to you. Average productivity also given. Number of developer also given. And average software salary also given. Now it is asking you that what will be the effort, duration and the cost. Right? Simple time and work problem. Just you have to think. Here the total line of code, this one, and productivity, that is 60 LOC per person. That means if one person is doing the work, then that person can write 620 line of code. So if one person can write 620 line of code in 1 month, then how many total month will be required? So we can divide. That is your called effort. Effort means always according to one person. One person, that is called effort. That's why 54. Effort is 54 here. Estimated development time. Here actual developer is 6. One person is taking 54 months. So total 6 person is there. So 54 divided by 6. 9 months will be required. Now estimated development cost. Per month cost is per developer 50,000. So 50,000 multiply into 6 developer, multiply into 9 month. So total is 27 lakh. That is done. Is it difficult? It is only time and work problem, nothing else. Right. Now do this. Answer. Here. See that it is also a software project was estimated at 864 function point. A 6% team will be assigned requirement gather person, 1 designer, 2 programmer and 2 tester. Now the salary of the designer is given, requirement gathering also given, and the programmer is also given per month. So now and tester also given. Now we have to do that what is the total time and cost, right? Cost ultimately we have to find out. So function point is 864. Now 12 per person month means total 6 person are assigned. So total time will be total divide by 12 multiply into 6, because 1 person and total this 1 person is able to do 12, total 6 person is there. So 12 multiply into 6, that means total 12 month. Now cost for per month there are this many developer, total 6 means 1 requirement gathering, 1 designer, 2 programmer and 2 tester. Their salary we are multiplying, then multiplied into total month, that is 12. So finally you are getting answer this. This is your answer, right? So that's why you are getting here 43,432,000. Right. Same type of question, this one you can try. I am not asking now. Different questions we will do. Same type of question, you will get this answer. Do this one. Read carefully, then do it. Ma'am, have some dry fruits, green tea, at least take water. You are continuing from last 2 hours. I am taking water. I am drinking water. Yes. So here your answer is this one, because you see Here main focus is this. What is your main focus? You see, here man year needed. There are two types of language you are using. One is language 1, another is language 2. So here it is given LOC by 1000. This is also LOC by 1000 per man development. Development cost is given 70,000 and 90,000. Maintenance is given this, but your target is your total cost should be same. Total cost of the project include there. What is the LOC for L1 for which the cost developing software both will be same. Both need to be same. That means I have to find out a equation where we can do it and then we can solve. Equation how we can do, here is a relation given. See that. The number of LOC required for the development application in L2 thrice of the LOC of the L1. This is actually the relation between them, right? So L2 is the thrice of L1. That means L1 is my x, L2 will be the 3x, right? So by doing that, we can apply this one. Here L1 is the x, L2 is the 3x. Then x by 1000, because it was given LOC by 1000. So x by 1000 multiply into this and it is your maintenance time. Here 3x by 1000 multiply into this. This is your maintenance time. We are getting this equation and from here we are getting the answer. If you take x opposite, then your answer will be wrong. Take x correctly and put your equation correctly so that you can get the answer correct. Clear? Yes. Chalo. So here your answer is this one. Same type of question, this one. You can do as a home task. Same type of question. I am not asking you same type of question. Now do this. अरे लोड हो जाओ रे भाई. Taking little bit time to load. अच्छा this. Do this. It is easy one. Easy. Easy one. Do it. Okay, answer. I am not getting answer. Why? Yes, lunch when I will do after the class. I'll take lunch and dinner together. Because whenever I am taking late lunch, I am not taking dinner. Lunch and dinner together will be done. So here it will be effort. It is given 15,000. Direct question, easy question. Effort is 15,000 and time is 5. So hour per person is 8. So directly we can do 15,000 not sorry 1500 divide by my 8 multiply 5. So you are getting your answer. Direct question, easy question, very easy question. Right? Now do this. Some easy questions they are asking. These are very easy questions. Yes. It is also very easy. Software project has 2000 line of code LOC and average productivity is 10 LOC per person hour, then how many person hour are required to complete the project? Simple, just you will divide 2000 by 100, you are getting answer. So simple question, very simple, right? Nothing to think also. So this is a question from where you can get comprehension to question. This is a expected comprehension area. New, if it is not comprehension also, maybe this type of question you can expect. Till now they did not ask in UGC NET. This is I have collected from other exam, but it is important for you. Try to solve. Able to do, or I have to? Option, who is giving answers? Sandeep. Ma'am, it is asked ISRO. Yes. Sandeep. I had given it. Okay, very good, Sandeep. Very good. Sandeep. Now some of you are answering. Okay, some different question give got, and now you are getting energy. Oh, I know this. Acha, very good. Very good. So here how to do it, see that. Here number of external input given, external output given, because these are the ultimate factor of your function point. Inquiry is also given, files is given, interface given, and the weights given here. See that weight factor of this is given 4, 5, 10 and all. These weights are given to you. Now here influence, developer, effort and all it is given, and here also some factor. You read very carefully. Development effort, 4 factor not applicable. Each of the other factor 4 factor have value 3 and each of the remaining factor value is 14. Now compute the function point. Total 14 values are there. Okay, how to do? One by one, see that. First of all, function point metric, for that you have to do UFP. It is not UPF. UFP, unadjustment function point, and VAF, value adjustment factor. The formula for UPF is this. UPF, not actually, it is UFP, unadjustment function point. Okay. So here we are getting direct because the weight multiply into value. Weight multiply into value. It was given to you. How it was given? Come to the question. How we are getting it? We are getting it from here. This 4 multiply into 30, 5 multiply into 60, 4 multiply into 23, 10 multiply into 8 and 7 multiply into 2. From here we are getting. Got it? That's why you are getting this one. Okay? So you got here 606. Now after that, value adjustment factor, this is you need to remember. This is the formula you need to remember. TDI multiply into 0.01 plus 0.65. Okay? So TDI, here you got it 3 multiply into 4, 0 multiply into 4, 4 multiply into 6. How it came, ma'am? Here actually from the last line, total degree, you are calculating TDI means total degree of influence. This is coming from here. Total degree of influence factor is total 14 factors are there. Out of this you see that here given that out of 14 factor adjustment, influence, development effort, 4 factor are not applicable. That means 4 multiply into 0. Each of the other 4 factor have value 3. That means 4 multiply into 3. Each of the remaining factor value is 4. So you get here 4, 4, 8 you got. Remaining is 6 because total 14. So 6 multiply into again 4. This is your TDI. Got it? Like this way you are getting here TDI. So that's why here you are getting your TDI 36. Now after that you are able to put it into the formula. TDI multiply into 0.01 plus 0.65. This is the formula. Don't say that how it is coming. This is formula, direct formula. Just you have to calculate TDI. So you are getting here 0.01. Now multiply this. You got this value VAF and you got this UAF also, UPF also. You multiply and you get the value. It can be broken in 5 parts. That's why it can be your comprehension. Like they can ask what is this, what is this, what is TDI, and finally what is function point. So 5 questions they can frame from this one question. It can be framed as comprehension also. Right? Expected area. So answer is this one. Clear? So how many likes till now? Those who are watching till now, at least you can like, right? And after the class, I will request you after the class come back, because not in live. After the class come back and comment here, because YouTube algorithm is working like that. When more comments are coming, they are showing that video. This YouTube algorithm is thinking it more comments means more like means it is a good video. So to add the value of this video, your like and comment is required. So after the whenever the class will be over, after that please come back for 1 minute and comment there. Your comment will be valuable to understand the YouTube algorithm. Otherwise YouTube algorithm will not understand and many students will be not able to reach to the content. Okay. Here you see this is the COCOMO. Now COCOMO questions. Basic COCOMO here A multiply into KLOC to the power B. This is the direct formula, and D equals to C multiply into E to the power B, E to the power D. For intermediate COCOMO this is the formula, but mainly they are asking you basic COCOMO numerical. So let's do the basic COCOMO numerical. Here remember this formula, with the formula only we can do it. This is the theory, no need to ask. But remember what is the full form of COCOMO? That is constructive cost model. Okay. So here is the numerical from COCOMO. Try to do it. Software company needs to develop, read it, think it, then solve, then I will help you. Okay, good, answers are coming. Here how to do this, solve it, say that. Here also, but we know the formula A multiply into KLOC to the power B. First of all you have to calculate your effort, then you have to calculate your development, because it is coming here duration equation approximately. Here you have to find out the duration, right? Just now you got it. A multiply into KLOC to the power B. So here you see what is the values are given. First of all it is given that estimated 1000 function point in Java whose approximated line of code per function point is 50. So total function point is 1000. LOC per function point is 50. That means total LOC is 50 multiply into 1000. 50 multiply into 1000. That means 50,000. Yes, total LOC is 50,000. So in KLOC, we can write it is 50 KLOC. 50 kilo line of code. Right? So here 50. A value you can see here 1.4. Multiplicative factor is 1. So 1.4 multiply into 1. Are you getting it or not? This one you are getting. So 1.4 multiply into this means you are getting here 70. Yes. 1.4 multiply into 50. That means you are getting here 70. Right? Now after that you are coming to exponential factor COCOMO effort. Here C is given. So now we have to do C. C equals to, now we have to do effort. C multiply into E to the power D. Because here we got this E. This is our effort. We got effort 70. Right? Now we have to get development D. So we have to get here duration D. D equals to C multiply into E to the power D. Right? So here you see 3 multiply into 0.33. Now we have to do the calculation here. 3 multiply into 70 to the power 0.33. That means 3 multiply into cube root 70. 0.33 means what? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means what? Cube root. Yes or no? Something to the power 0.33. That means 1 by 3. That means it is cube root. Now here how to do calculation, ma'am? Cube root 70. Here you are getting confused. Cube root 70, nothing to be confused here. Here I am erasing. Here I am erasing. Something cube root means what? If I am asking cube root 9 means what? Cube root 9 not. If I am asking cube root 27. Because 3 multiply 3 is 27. That means 3 cube is 27. So cube root 27 is 3. Yes or no? Cube root 27 is 3. Right? Then cube root 64. Is it 4? Cube root 64 is 4. Cube root 125 is 5. Because 4 multiply 4 is 64. 3 times. 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 is 125. So 70 is in between them. Greater than 64, less than 125. 70 is in between them. That means cube root 70 we can think 4 point something. Right? Exact value we are not able to do. Approximation 4 point something. By doing that only we can get the answer 12 point something, because whenever you are multiplying 3 multiply into 4 point something, your answer should be 12 point something. You are getting your answer 12 point something. This is not, this is not, this is not. Your answer is 12 point something. Approximation you have to do. Everywhere you see in software engineering numerical, direct answer you will be not able to get because you don't have calculator. But they will ask you. So without calculator, do some approximation and get the answer. Okay? Clear? Now tell me what is the answer for this. Answer. This is a direct one. You can just put the formula and get the answer given already. A, it is already formula given. Sometimes formula will be not given. KLOC to the power B. Here you see only you have to calculate. Function point is given here 500. Suppose the system planned LOC by FP ratio is 50. So LOC by FP ratio is 50. And here function point is given 500. That means LOC by 500 equals to 50. So what is your LOC? 50 multiply into 500. That means 2500. Yes or not? 25000. That is your LOC. So that means we can write it is 25 KLOC. We got 25 KLOC. So 25 KLOC means now A value and B value, put it here, you get the here A and B value is given T 2.5 and 1.0. So 2.5 multiply into 25 multiply to the power 1. So definitely your answer is 62.5 because 2.5 multiply into 25. So you are getting 62.5. So answer is here 62.5. Easy fizzy lemon squeezy. Nothing too difficult. Now see another KLOC question. Quick answer. This is easy, very easy. This is very easy. Yes. Here your answer will be definitely this one directly. Here no formula required, nothing required. Direct 20,000% per month, 5 KLOC. So 20,000 divided by 5, you are getting 400 KLOC. No required any formula. Direct question, easy question. Here this formula we have already done. Let's see other questions. This is also we have done for T. Do this one. This one. We'll complete this software engineering numericals. If you are feeling tired, you can take rest, no problem. This numerical we will complete, then I will end. Yes. Here how to see that. Here error number given, time since failure, these are given to you. Now the reliability of the software 1 hour assuming exponential model. What formula, how to do it? Here the formula is mean time between failure. This is the maintenance chapter of software engineering. Mean time between failure. Here we have to do start of downtime minus start of uptime. Means see that. How many times software is getting failed? Like our app, sometimes it is not working, right? So maybe it was not working at 12:30. After that it started working at 12:35. So 5 minutes it was not working. So mean time means average. So in a month or in a year, how many times the failure was there? You are dividing it. So you are getting mean time between failure. So number of failure. This is called mean time between failure. So here from the table you are getting, see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 times failure was there, and these are the time given to you. So from here you are able to do mean time between failure by adding these values and getting 29 by 5. You are getting here 29 by 5. Now the probability or the reliability that the product will work. So here the formula is e to the power minus t by mtbf. E to the power minus t by mtbf, mean time between failure. Okay, you got this one. So what will be your answer? E to the power minus t by 29 by 5. What is the t value? T is 1 hour. It is given 1 hour. That means here you can put e to the power minus 1 by 29 by 5. Right? Minus 1 by 29 by 5. That means we can write minus 5 by 29. Because 1 by 29 by 5 means 5 by 29. So e to the power minus 5 by 29. That is your answer. So e to the power minus 5 by 29. No need to get these values. Because your option is given like that only. They know you don't have calculator. Your option is also given like that. So e to the power minus 5 by 29. Ultimately, if you get this one, then you can do this. Right? So your answer is coming here. Clear? Clear to everyone? Now see, here is a formula, direct formula. From this formula also you can get next time question. Remember the formula? What is the answer for this? P is the risk, probability, L is the loss. So here the answer is RE equals to P multiply L. So if here they are putting any value, you can do it. Right. Here you see. Next question is this one from again maintenance, mean time between failure. Answer. Yes. Here also by approximation you have to do, because it is given 99.99% uptime and mean time between failure is 1 day. So how fast the system will repair? By approximation, because ultimately you are getting this mean time between failure divide by mean time between failure plus MTTR, mean time to repair. So this is almost coming as 1, because this is very negligible, right? This time to repair is very negligible here. So MTBF divide by MTBF, it will be ultimately 100%. As it is very negligible here, it will be close to 100%. From here only you can do the answer, means 1, close to 1. So from here you are getting answer here 9 second. Approximation will work here. Close, very close our value. Now next. Yes, here your answer is this one, because why? The web application, it support the environment has not been fully fortified against the attack. Web engineer estimate that likelihood of this is 30%. An application does not contain sensitive controversial information, so threat probability is 25%. So what is the integrity? How to do that? Here integrity formula you need to remember. The formula of integrity is 1 minus t multiplied into 1 minus s. So here 0.25 50%, that is the probability of the attack, that means 0.25, and s is the likelihood to apply the attack, that is 0.30. So from here we are getting the answer 1 minus 0.25 multiply into this. You are getting your answer. Multiply this one. You are getting this. Final answer is this one. So 0.825. Here also you need to remember these formulas. Formulas are important. I am showing you all numerical till now whatever they ask in software engineering. This is in 2019 June. All numerical I am showing you. All formulas I am showing you, so that whatever they are asking you can do it. Here you see another question from maturity. This is software maturity model. A we giving answer. Yes. Here how to do that? What is the, here you see legacy 940 modules, and how to get it? What is the formula here? The formula for maturity index is when we can say a software is mature. That means no change required, no addition required, no deletion required. Then it is mature. If some addition, some deletion, some changes are there, that means not till now 100% mature. That's why your formula is coming MT minus FA, that means addition, changes and deletion, divide by MT. So total was given 940 minus 40 plus 90 plus 12 divide by 940. So here also approximation need to do. How need to do approximation? You are getting here 940 minus 40 plus 90 plus 12. divide by 940. You see that 940 divide by 940 means 1. That means 100%. Right. So it is minus. So you have to think how much I am doing minus. How much I am doing minus? This is 40 plus 90 means 130. 130 plus 10 means 140 plus 2 means 142. If I am doing the percentage calculation, that is 142 divided by 940. This 142 is how much percentage? Using percentage it will be easy. Different way. How? Because you see 940 is your 100%, 94 is your 10%, 9.4 is your 1%, right? So 9.4 is your 1% means from here you see 142 means it is more than 10%, it is not 20%. So 142 means already I can say 10%, that means it is 94 plus how much remaining? 142 minus 94, that means 8, 4, 48 remaining. So this is 9.4 is 1% means 4 nines are 45, 5 nines are 54. So it can be close to 4%, right? Plus close to 4%, that means something like 14% point 14 point something. So 142 is 14 point something means it is actually 100 minus 14 point something. So I am getting here 80 14 or 15, 14 not, 14 not, because 40 we are getting here 8, 9. Oh, sorry. 9 multiply into 4 is 36. 9 multiply into 5 is 45. 9 multiply into 6 means 54. So it can be more than 5. 5 point something. It can be more than 5. 5 point something. So it can be near about 85. Near about 85%. Now you come to the option. Near about 85% whenever you got, my answer is near about 85%. So 85% means 0.85, near about that. You are able to eliminate. This is not, this is not, this is your answer. Approximation required. Maybe you are thinking, ma'am, why you are doing this? Because you don't have calculator. Without calculator you have to solve. Without calculator you have to solve means these approximations should be there in your mind. Otherwise anyhow you will not get the correct answer. They will ask you numerical. Not only software engineering numerical, in your paper 1 also, paper 2 also, software engineering, networking, operating system, even also computer graphics, everywhere numerical is there. And these type of approximation everywhere required. You have to be habituated. Right? Okay. So that's why your answer is coming this. So these are all your numerical from software engineering. Okay? Clear? More 10 minutes what you require, tell me. Some free marks. What you require next 10 minutes. Next 10 minutes. What you need. The next 10 minutes I am giving you a bonus. For those who will watch the class till the end, they will get the bonus. What bonus? I am showing you one expected comprehension question. Last 10 minutes. We have done in paid course so many expected comprehension question. I am showing you one expected comprehension question in last 10 minutes. That will be the bonus for those who will watch till the end. There it is. Numerical only. I am telling numerical only. Expected operating system numerical. This is a very important area. High chance you can get the question. This question, this table, this question actually came long back ago for a 2 marks. But from this one only you can expect a 10 marks question what I have created. And it is very important for you. Do it, solve it. This is a bonus for you. By chance if you are getting this area, then this 10 marks is yours. Do this. Anyone? Answer. Who can answer? Priya is giving answer. I am getting answer from Priya. So, acha, first do the answer. After that I will explain. Okay, I will ask you all 5 questions. Then I will explain. Here the answer is 0. I will not explain. First do the questions, because if I explain means you will be able to get all answer. Do this one. Okay. Next. Tell me the answer for this. Answer. I need answer. Tanuja, Hema Malini, Devika, ma'am, we did it today morning. Good. Your revision is going on. So, this is your answer. Next. Do this. Okay. Good. Here, this is your answer. Now this one. What is the answer for this? Yes. So, now I am explaining you. Those who are not getting, I am explaining how to do that. What is this? What is happening here? First of all, from this one only, I am going last too fast, no problem. For this one, you can see the question is asking you there is 1K word. That means per page 1K data, 1K slots are there. 1K means 1 KB. That means 2 to the power 10 means 1024. Just like in one room, you are able to allocate 1024 candidates. So, 0 number according to the page number, now you have to think. This is page number 0, 0 to 1023. Page number 1 coming this one, page number 2 this, page number 3 is this, 4 is this, like that way. Total 8 pages are there. So, total 8 pages range you are getting like this. Now, the question is asking that which of the following list virtual address will not cause any page fault. The page table is given to you. From this page, these are the pages available. That means page number 0, page number 2, page number 5 and page number 7. Page number 0 is available, page number 2 is available and page number 5 available and page number 7 available. The number which is coming within this range, they are only available. Other than that, anything is not available. So, 1024, it is coming in page number 1. That's why this is not available. 1234, this is also coming under page number 1. That's why it is also not available. This 1020, it is actually coming under page number 0. 3012, it is coming under page number 2. 6120, it is coming under page number 5. And 8100, it is coming under page number 7. That means these all are available. That's why this is no page fault. So, your answer is this one. Short trick is what? Without doing it, how I can understand which page? If I am dividing this 3012 divide by 1024. 1024. I have to divide by 2. Then I will get 2048. So, ultimately some remainder will come. This is your page number. Just divide it and get the page number. Directly you can get the page number without doing it. In this way, you will be able to solve the question here. That is this question number 1. This question you are able to solve like this because directly you are able to get here which virtual page map with the highest memory. Highest memory is here block. It is asking highest physical memory. Highest physical memory is which one? 3120. This is the highest one. Corresponding page number is 0. That's why page 0. This is your answer. Next one. Given virtual address is 3012. What is the physical address? The formula of calculation of physical address is block multiply into page size plus offset. So, here you are getting page number 2, offset 946. Just divide it. 3012 divide by 1024. You are getting 22048. You will get 469 is the remainder. 964. So, whatever remainder, that is your offset. Whatever answer, that is your page number. So, from here you can calculate the physical address. Page number is 2. For that corresponding block number is 1. That mapping need to do. Page number 2 but block number is 1. So, that is why 1 multiply into 1024 plus this, because page size, frame size is same 1024. Offset is also same. That is why offset is same. No change. So, 1988 is your answer. But we need to change the frame number because page number and frame number is not same. Corresponding to page number 2, your frame number is 1. That's why physical address frame number is changing. Same thing here. It is given physical address, asking logical address. Just opposite we have to do. For the physical address, we have to find out the frame number, in which block it is. It is in block 2. Same way, just divide 2050 divide by 1024. You are getting here 2. 2 is the block number here. You got the block number. Now corresponding page number you have to find out. So for the block number 2, page number is 5. That's why here you have to multiply with the page number. Page number 5 multiply into 1024. Offset. So offset you got 2. That's why answer is coming this one. This mapping is important. Logical address, physical address, mapping. Physical address given means I will find out the frame number, map with the page number. Logical address given means I will get the page number, map with the frame number. Then apply the formula. Here only we will do the mistake. And for this one, what is the maximum virtual address? That is, virtual address maximum means what is the last page number. Last page number you are getting here 7. Right. So, but here not according to the last page number. How many total pages are there? Total 8 pages are there. So, last virtual address means final 8. That is the 8. So, 8 multiply into 1024. You are getting range 8192. But it is starting with 0. So, 0 to n minus 1 will be the range. So, n minus 1 means 8191. That is the last. Because according to this table also you are able to understand. This is your last range. 8191. This is your last range. So, that's why 8191 is your answer. Got it? This type of comprehension you can expect. It is just my prediction, nothing else. Because this question came, exactly this question came in UGC NET. From there only, just for my prediction, I am telling you, maybe it can come in your exam hall. This type of questions are very important for you. So, I hope you learned so many things from this class. Yes or no? After the class, 3 hours marathon is done. I was also in a doubt that I will be able to do 3 hours marathon or not. Previously, I was taking 5 hours marathon also, but it was sitting position. Now I am in standing position. Alone I am doing. So 3 hours marathon we have completed. Tomorrow we will again do marathon. Again we will do marathon. Tomorrow also I will start by 12 or 12:30. I'll try to start. Remaining units we will cover. My target is that you tell me I am correct or wrong. According to that, some decision is also required. My suggestion is your exam is on 22nd. So 20 fast, especially 20 fast, it should be your self-study time. If you want marathon, that is okay, but my suggestion is last day should be your self-studies time. You should not go for marathon. According to my understanding, today is 17th, right? Today we have already done. So 18th, 19th, 20. These 3 days we can do, and remaining units in these 3 days we can cover. Remaining expected questions, numerical, theory, chart, mind mapping, everything we can do. Regarding 20 fast, let me know in the comment section that what you want, because according to my understanding, I always prefer last day not to take any marathon. I always prefer that. And 20 means also 20 also not in evening. By evening only we have to complete, means first slot. Because in 22nd you have exam at 3 p.m. Right, 3 to 6 your exam. So you should also do self-study mock test series attempt 3 to 6. This 3 to 6, this time if you are attempting test, that is mock test, test series, then your brain will be habituated that yes, this time is my test time. Your brain will be trained. That training is required. This training is very important training for you. Okay. You can train yourself. So we will start class by 12 tomorrow and next days also. Regarding 20 and 21st, tell me. 20 also I have a question. I will try, my suggestion, I will try by 18th and 19th as much as possible try to cover. So that last moment, no tension, nothing will be there. With relaxed mind, you can do it. Okay. Self study required. Definitely self study required, ma'am. For first time, I am coming live, but I have watched lot of your pre-recorded video. Who is this? Masa Shankar. Okay, I am telling you Shankar. Shankar, thank you. Wali, time please. 12, 12. Tomorrow also I will come by 12 or 12:30. This time is good time, na? 12. I will try 12, 12 to 12:30. In this time only I will come to live. I will also complete my all household work, cooking and all. You also complete and come, because now it is the time my daughter will come. Your kids will also come back. So this time normally by 4 they are coming back. So 12 to 4, within this time if we focus in our marathon means it will be a good time. I hope so. No disturbance, nothing. And even also we can complete our work. Okay, so we'll do that. Live paid learners, for that how it is going on, it will be there. Okay. Okay. Chalo. Are these all PDFs are with you already. Already these PDFs are with you. Which PDF I showed? New PDF? No new PDF. All PDFs are there with you only. Okay. Chalo. Bye everyone. See you again tomorrow. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Must comment. After the class, come back once again. Not in the live comment, because live comment will be erased. So come back after ending. 1 minute. Take your time to comment there. Your feedback, your comment, your request, whatever you want, you can comment, because your comment is very, very valuable. YouTube algorithm is reading those comments. YouTube algorithm is commenting, counting that comment and like. With that only they are able to understand that how much effort we are putting here. So it is my request. Please, if you think that yes it is valuable, then like, share, subscribe, and with that comment also. If I can talk for you that much, I can spend time that much for you, then at least 1 minute time you can spend to comment. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Chalo.